Hi friends, in this video we see type 3 differential equation higher order, right? So before watching this video, I request you to watch type 1 and type 2, then only we know how to solve the problem in a proper way, right? Because we have to understand how to find a complementary function that I have explained in type 1 video only. So please refer that video and start this. Let us start this. If right hand side of the differential equation f of x in this format, that is purely algebraic format, then it is coming under the category of type 3 differential equation, right? So in type 1 we know that right hand side f of x will be in the form of e power ax or bx. In type 2 it will be in the form of sine of ax plus b or cos of ax plus b, right? So in type 3 we are having f of x is purely algebraic function, right? Okay, so we know the differential equation will be like this. Complementary function, as usual, we can find in any one of the three methods depending on the root. But a particular integral, we have to follow this procedure, right? Always we do 1 by pi of d into f of x. So what we have to do is after that we take the inverse 1 pi d inverse. Then what we have to do is we have to expand this pi d in by using binomial expression in ascending powers of d, and then only we have to operate on this differential equation. Let me explain in the example, then you will understand very easy. It is one of the easiest type to solve the problem. Here we have to remember some basic binomial theorem formulae. So one is this 1 plus x power minus 1, 1 minus x power minus 1, 1 plus x power minus 2, 1 minus x power minus 2, right? So let us go to the problem. Once I explain the problem, we will understand everything very simply. Let us take this problem. D squared y divided by dx squared plus dy by dx is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 4. We have to solve this. So you see right hand side is f of x. F of x is purely algebraic. Since it is purely algebraic, it is coming under the category of type 3. So first I write in the general format d squared by dx squared, I can write as d squared, d by dx I can write dy, that is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 4. Then I can write d squared plus 1 into y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 4. First what we have to do, we have to find the complementary function. In order to find a complementary function, I have to replace d by m, so m squared plus 1, right? So, sorry, dy by dx, here it is d, so m squared plus m, here it is d, here m squared plus m is equal to, right hand side f of x, I have to make it as 0. This implies m into m plus 1 is equal to 0. This indicates m is equal to 0 or m is equal to minus 1. So here roots are different, real and different. So complementary function is equal to a e power first root m1x, that is, let us assume this is m1, this is m2. First root is this one, b e power m2 is minus 1. So it is a plus b e power minus x. So in order to understand how I find the complementary function, please refer my video on type 1 integration, differential equation. Okay, next we have to find a particular integral. For particular integral only, I told what is the procedure. Pi must be equal to 1 by pi of d. Pi of d is a given problem. So 1 by d squared plus d. And f of x. F of x is nothing but x squared plus 2x plus 4. This is what our f of x. This is what I told in the procedure. So first I have to write 1 by pi of t. Pi of t is a given problem, and f of x. This is what a naught x. You see, that is our f of x. That is algebraic function. So do that. Then what we have to do? So we take d outside. First we have to find inverse. No, so let us see that how I am going to do. D plus 1 into x squared plus 2x plus 4. This I can write as 1 by d. This 1 plus d I bring to the numerator, so it will become 1 plus d inverse x squared plus 2x plus 4. right? So just now only we studied what is 1 plus x power minus 1 expansion used binomial theorem. So it is 1 minus x plus x squared minus x cubed. Like that it will go. I stopped with the second. I must stop with second order because if you differentiate x squared with the third order differentiation, the answer will be 0. Even this is not required. So these two are enough. Then x squared plus 2x plus 4. We know d is equal to d by dx. Okay. Then so 1 by d is equal to first 1 into all the things. So it is x squared plus 2x plus 4 minus d differentiation of this d of x squared plus 2x plus 4. First I multiply this two, next I do this function. So d of x squared is 2x, d of 2x is d means differentiation 2, right? So this is what d of 4 is constant 0. Next d squared, if I differentiate this with d squared plus d squared 2x means 2 times I have to differentiate. Second order differentiation. So when I differentiate first time x squared, it will become 2x. Then I differentiate second time, it will become 2. So it is 2. If I differentiate the 2x 2 times, it will become 0. So 4 will also become 0. So this is the thing. So if I simplify, what will happen? This is 2x plus 2, 2x plus this 2x will be cancelled. This 4, this 2 will be over. So the answer is 1 by x squared plus 4. D is differentiation, 1 by d means integration. So now I have to integrate x squared plus 4. If you integrate x squared plus 4, what you get is x cubed by 3 plus 4x. This is what my particular integral. So what is my total solution? Y is equal to CF plus PI. What is CF? CF already we found, a plus b e power minus x. Pi is just now only we found x cubed plus 3 plus 4x. So CF, just to remember, a plus b power b into e power minus x. This is what total solution. Right? In this way only we have to solve the problem. Right? So let me do one more problem. Here you see d cube minus 3d squared minus 60 plus 8 into y, that is equal to x. So first I have to find a complementary function. Replace the d by m. So m cube minus 3m squared plus 6 minus 6m. Okay, minus 6m plus 8. Right hand side f of x. This is what our f of x. Now differentiate. Sorry, make it 0. So if you factorize, what you get is m minus 1, m plus 2 into m minus 4 is equal to 0. So this will give m is equal to 1 comma minus 2 comma 4. So here we have three roots. So it is a e power first root, e power 1 is m1. This is m1, a e power x plus b e power second root minus 2x plus c e power third root 4x. This is what we have to find for complementary function. Then we have to find a particular integral. We know how to find particular. Particular integral means pi is equal to 1 by given equation, that is d cube minus 3d square plus, minus 6d plus 8 into f of x. F of x is simply x. Okay. Now what we have to do? I have to make it as a binomial theorem format. So what I do is, I want everything in terms of 1 plus x or 1 minus x format. So I take 8 outside from this. So 8 if I take outside means it will become 1 plus d cube minus 3d squared minus 6d by 8. Now it will become 1 plus x format. Numerator is x. So this is 1 by 8 into 1 plus d cube minus 3d squared minus 6d by 8 minus 1 x. X is nothing but our f of x. Now you take 1 by 8. See, if you differentiate this, first let me expand. If I expand, what it will become? 1 plus x. What is 1 plus x power minus 1? This is 1 minus x plus x squared, like that it will go. Right? So even if I expand first up to 2 terms, what will happen? 1 minus this will become d cube minus 3d squared minus 6d divided by 8. Next, I have to go for plus x squared. If I make it x squared, it will become d power 6, d power 4, d squared. If I differentiate x with 2 times, it will become 0. So, if I differentiate, if I square it, the minimum order is 2 because d6, d4, d2. Minimum order will be 2. So, if I differentiate, the answer will be 0. So, it is no use to expand to second order. Stop it with the first order. X. Now, 1 by 8. 1 minus d cube. Differentiate x with 3 times 0. Fine. Okay. Differentiate x with 2 times as again d cube. There is differentiation of x with 3 times. Differentiation of x with 2 times, both will give 0. Differentiation of x with 1 times 1. d of x is 1. So it is minus 6 by 8. So 1 by 8 plus again 1 into x, it must be x. So x plus 3 by 4. So this is what our particular integral. So y is equal to cf plus pi. So what we get is c1, already we found this, c1, c of c e power x plus a e power x plus b e power minus 2x plus c e power 4x plus pi is 1 by 8 x plus 3 by 4. Right? This is what you see, a e power x, b e power minus 2x plus c e power 4x. That is cf, this is pi. So this is what our final solution of the differential equation. Right? So in this way we have to solve the problem. This is very easy to solve. I hope you understand both the problems. Like that only they will give. Right? If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I will clarify. Thank you.